Okay. All right, this is looking pretty good. Usually, most animations start with an establishing shot. I mean, I think this is interesting way to start, um, but it also draws a lot of attention to the animation of the feet. And I believe I mentioned on the last critique some things you could do to improve the animation, like getting the hips to sway side to side a little bit more rotation on the hips and shoulders, doing kind of one foot a little bit in front of the other so they kind of swing around each other. Maybe instead of, maybe what you want to do is cut to a shot like this one earlier, but where you show the character's face. So kind of swing the camera around here so we establish the character a little sooner. But yeah, I mean, it's a very cute piece. Obviously, there's some issues with the grain. If I had the Maya, project files, I could demonstrate adjusting the sampling settings, but it's all explained in Module 14 on page 7. So if you kind of review this and these different settings and what they all do, and how to improve that, that's all right here. So just kind of review that. So yeah, what I would say is you could probably stand to do some improvement of the animation if you have time. If a few little things could go a long way. And yeah, you mentioned you couldn't upload your file. Make sure you're using archive scene file, not zipping the whole project. I'm wondering if it's trying to take all of the renders with it or something. Just use the archive scene and then use the zip file that creates. Don't zip your whole project folder. Um, and but yeah, I mean overall it's looking pretty good. I would just reconsider the camera, improve the render quality, and put some additional touches on your animation to get this finished.